Hi, welcome to the Leadership Challenge. I'm Dr. Case Lilly, and I want to review our course home page for you so that you are completely aware of my expectations over the course of the summer. You'll have assignments due every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday this summer, beginning with your first assignments, which are due on Friday, June 10th. And as you can see here, I'm in the syllabus section of our course, and listed in chronological order are assignments and due dates. This is obviously an intensive course. We're completing in 4 weeks what is normally completed over a 15 or 16-week semester. So you do have a heavy load to face. If you go to discussions, you'll see a list of 14 discussion posts. You'll start with Module 1, About Me, and you'll work your way through Modules 2 through 13. Modules 14 and 15 are one discussion topic. However, this topic will not be posted. It will be included in your final project, which I will talk about in a moment. If you click on Files, you're able to see all of the files associated with this class. These are your module guides. Module guides are meant to help you be sure that you complete all of the assignments. Then you have a series of questionnaires here. Associated with each chapter in chapters 2 through 16 of your textbook are leadership instruments that you are to complete before you read each chapter. These assigned instruments will actually help you not only better understand leadership concepts and theories, but understand yourself in the context of leadership. Here we have upcoming assignments. I'm going to click on Module 1. Module 1 is your first assignment in LEAD 200. And this is the post called About Me. And I asked you to answer a series of questions on our discussion board in order to better get to know each other. It's difficult when we don't get to see each other face to face, and these kind of introductions with some detail about yourself is very helpful. Please also be sure to include a picture of yourself so that we also have some idea of who we're interacting with over the course of the summer. Just went back to assignments because I want to click on this Leadership Reflection Project. The Leadership Reflection Project is worth 50% of your grade. The other 50% of your grade is your module discussion posts. You click here to look at your Leadership Reflection Project assignment. I'm just going to open the file in preview. I want to be sure that you're able to see it. Okay. So here we have the Leadership Challenge, Leadership Reflection Project. This assignment requires that you be very organized, among other things, but organization is certainly key. You'll be completing the instruments, as I mentioned, associated with each chapter, beginning with Chapter 2 through Chapter 16. You will also write a reflection regarding your thoughts about the instrument and your results after you read the chapter. So you take the instrument and complete it before you read a chapter, and then you write a reflection after you read the chapter. Now, this project is the culminating artifact that you'll have to show at the end of the semester. And as it indicates here, this project is due. It should be one PDF document, and it's due before midnight on July 8th, which is our last class, last day of classes for session 1. I've completed a table of contents for you to try to make this as easy as possible. The first thing that will be a part of your reflection project, leadership reflection project assignment, is this, I believe, essay with photographs. And there are directions regarding that particular assignment up here, which you can read in more detail on your own. And of course, if you have questions, please feel free to contact me. You'll also include in here the definition of leadership that you post in Module 1. And here you'll see that we start to look at the instruments that I just mentioned. Your completed leadership trait questionnaire, which is your first questionnaire assignment for the class. Your completed skills inventory, that's your second. And then here I ask you to reflect upon these two inventories together. So in this situation, you'll read chapter 2, which is about trait leadership. But before you do that, you're going to complete the trait leadership questionnaire. When you've completed reading this chapter, you'll go on to chapter 3, which is about skills, and you'll complete the skills inventory before reading the chapter. And after reading both chapters and completing both inventories or instruments, you're going to reflect on the results that you received when you when you completed the instrument for the first time, and you will also reflect on what differences, if any, you feel might occur now that you've read, or after you've read each chapter. So if we proceed down, these things are pretty consistent across the board. There are a couple of extra assignments that I ask of you. These are all included in your module guides. By and large, they are the questionnaires that are in your textbook. So, the idea behind this project is that you are faithfully completing the assigned readings and instruments. You'll be posting discussions every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, as I mentioned, and those will be in response to or related to the information that you've read in the chapter that's assigned for that week or that 2-day period. At the end of the semester, you should have a collection of instruments, completed instruments, and reflections. A couple of extra instruments that I've asked you to complete throughout. And all of these things will be supporting evidence that is placed behind your leadership reflection assignment, which is this, I believe, essay with photographs. And again, the details are written here for your review. So this will be your first entry in your reflection project. It is listed here in the table of contents as number 1. And then the remaining documents that are listed are supporting evidence that will be compiled over the course of the semester as you complete instruments and modules. I'm going to stop there. I just wanted to give you an overview and walkthrough. If you have questions, please contact me. I look forward to reading everybody's about me posts on after Friday, your first assignment is due Friday before midnight, June 10th. Thank you. I look forward to our semester together.